Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's video, I'm actually going to be showing you my 3 Coach Outlet Laurel Shoulder handbags. You guys, I absolutely love this handbag. I have raved about this bag being the best typical everyday handbag. Coach did not disappoint. And I honestly didn't realize that I had purchased this bag 3 times until literally like a couple of days ago. And I was like, you know what? Why not just show all of these bags, you guys? Like, why not just show them all? Even though I've already made videos talking about all 3 of these bags, why not just show them all together, showcase them all at one time? But of course, you already know, before I can officially start this week's video, I just have to take the time to thank everyone. Thank you a million times. Thank you, the likes, the comments, you coming back for more. It's just simply amazing, you guys. I know I say it all the time. I know you probably get tired of me saying it in my intros, but I am going to always thank you because truthfully, you guys, it just would not be possible, first and foremost, to be able to do this little hobby of mine that I've just grown to love and enjoy without the help of my one and only Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Because of him, he has brought you to my channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for rocking with me. And I hope that you will just continue to rock it out with me for, whatever this, YouTube journey brings. But other than that, though, you guys, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of Sable's Coach Outlet Laurel Shoulder Handbag Collection. Okay, so if you haven't guessed it by now, I am actually going to start with the very, 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 very first Coach Laurel Shoulder Handbag that I purchased. And it is this beautiful red piece. I mean, it's gorgeous. And you can definitely tell that I have worn this bag in just because of like the slouchiness of the bag. I know a lot of people, they talk about like the slouchiness of the bag like over time once you've worn it. And I can definitely tell the difference. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, I even loved it when I first bought the bag. When I first bought the bag, it was more like structured, but oh my goodness. I mean, the slouchiness is honestly what is making this handbag just incredible. But I love it. And this beautiful red, vibrant color. I mean, let's get into it, you guys. Coach and their quality. It never disappoints. That beautiful grained pebbled leather. I love it. This is beautiful. When I saw this bag in the Coach outlet, because I actually purchased this one, like I mentioned before, earlier, I purchased this one during the Black Friday sale at Tanger Outlets in South Haven, Mississippi. We were actually visiting my sister, who's right next door in Tennessee, in Memphis. And this bag, oh my goodness, you guys, like I love it. I'm not going to go into detail about any of these bags because like I mentioned before earlier, I have made videos of all 3 bags that I am going to be showing you. And I do know for certain that this one is still currently in stock online at the Coach Outlet website. And then also too, if you are interested in purchasing it, just hit up your local Coach outlet if you do have one near you. But yes, you guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, this bag is beautiful just standing alone by itself. If you want to dress it up and accessorize it with bag charms, the bag charms have definitely been trending. The different types of chains that have been trending. These bags are just so versatile. That's why I say the Coach Laurel Shoulder Handbag, in my opinion, is the perfect everyday bag. I mean, you can jazz it up, you can jazz it down. Like I said, it can be worn in multiple ways. But yeah, you guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. And then, Coach, they always have you covered. The bag, it came with like a longer shoulder strap. I don't really typically wear this bag with the longer shoulder strap. I've just always been like a short strap type kind of girl when it comes to my handbags. But yes, love this. I love it. Okay, you guys. So we're going to move on to the next Coach Laurel shoulder handbag that I purchased. And it's actually the one that I have been carrying, honestly, since I purchased the bag. And it is this beautiful Coach Laurel signature print leather shoulder handbag. What drew me to the bag was the design. This design, it's so classic to me. I love the signature C. Coach did not disappoint with this. Now, I will say typically, me purchasing bags with like a brand's logo is really not my thing. I just feel sometimes like it may make the handbag a little bit too busy, but Coach did not disappoint with this bag. I mean, let's just quickly get into it. That beautiful, soft leather. I don't really know what kind of leather this is. I know it's not pebbled leather. Is it Napa leather? Somebody comment below in the comments because I failed to notice, like in the description on the Coach Outlet website, I failed to notice what kind of leather this is. Not that it matters because the leather is holding up beautifully. It is. And the crazy thing about it, you guys, you would think that this leather is more so like on the like softer side because yes, it is softer, but I do not have any scratches like on this bag at all. None. Like no scratches at all. And you can tell that I am still currently carrying the bag just because of the shape. I mean, just giving you just a quick little view. This is what I mean by every day. Every day. And I can still fit so much in here. So that's what I mean. The typical everyday bag, Coach Laurel shoulder bag, in my opinion, is the one. I love this bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ugh. And then also too, you know, with this bag, it did come with that longer drop shoulder strap. I mentioned before earlier, I don't typically wear longer straps. I'm just a short strap girly. But yes, you guys, I love this one. Now, I will say with this bag, I have never accessorized it like with bag charms or chains. I just think this bag, in my opinion, is just beautiful, just standing alone by itself. And then I know the bag, it did come in the color sage and it also came in the color chalk and then the black. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now, when this bag, it dropped, because I did mention this in my previous video when I did review this bag, it was so hard to get. It really, really was. If I'm not mistaken, I think this bag released towards like the end of 2024. So like the latter part of December of 2024. And I was finally able to get this bag like around mid-January or so. And oh my gosh, you guys, when I tell you, it was like the freaking Hunger Games trying to get this bag. So yeah, you guys. And the sad thing about it is Coach Outlet, from when like I last reviewed the site, they have not brought this bag back in stock. And it's making me think that it probably won't come back in stock. So I am so sorry in advance for anyone that wanted this bag and was not able to get it. You know, I'm so sorry. I just wish Coach Outlet would just bring it back because this one is a beautiful piece. But yeah, you guys, I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. And then the last Coach Laurel shoulder handbag. And honestly, I don't even know which one I would categorize as being first, second, third, because in my opinion, I love all of these. I love all three of my Coach Laurel shoulder handbags. So it is so difficult for me to categorize them as first, second, and third. But you should already know, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, my third handbag was actually my most recent handbag from the Laurel collection. And it is none other than the Coach Laurel Denim shoulder bag. This beauty is just magnificent. Let's just get into the details, you guys. I mean, that denim leather is everything. Coach did not disappoint at all. They didn't. And the added cherry charm, that is so cute. And I honestly didn't think that I was going to like the cherry charm, but the cherry charm actually gives it flair and pizzazz. I like it. Like, it's just the perfect cherry charm. Like, I like that it's subtle. It's very subtle and it's very discreet, because I'm just that type of girl when it comes to my handbags. I don't really like to over accessorize them, especially when they have like a print like this one. I don't know. That's just me. So please don't come for me in the comments, because I know a lot of people like to decorate their bags. And girl, do you? Do you, girl, guy? You do you. But Sable is the type of person that doesn't typically dress up her bags. Every now and then I may wear like a little bag charm on a bag, but most of the time I don't. And if I do have like a bag charm, I'll typically use it as like a bag that's inside of my bag. As a matter of fact, you guys, hang on. So, like these right here. I know this is supposed to be about my Coach Laurel handbag collection, but this one right here, this is like designer inspired for the long chomp bag. And then this one, too. These were two, technically, these aren't really bag charms, but they can be made into bag charms by just simply clipping them, like this little key ring right there, and then this little piece, that silver piece right there. You can easily attach them to bags. I did make a video right at the beginning of January where I talked about these. These are all from Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing these, and I do have a couple of other ones, they're all linked. They are all linked in that video where I talk about how bag charms, well, technically, these are like pouches. But, I basically showed how you can convert these pouches into bag charms to where you could put them on the outside of your bag. But yeah, you guys, I'm just typically not that type of girl, like I said, to dress up my bag, but I see other girls do it, guys, and it looks nice. It looks nice. But yeah, you guys, this one too, it was like a rematch from the Hunger Games trying to get this bag. And sadly, Coach Outlet has not restocked this bag. I feel that eventually they are going to stock it, or restock, I should say, eventually, but that's just it. You know, the verdict is still out. I'm not sure why Coach hasn't done it, because if I'm not mistaken, they have dropped, or restocked, I should say. They have restocked quite a few pieces from their denim drop. And for anyone that knows, that Coach denim drop, it dropped at the end of January. It was like that Thursday, January the 30th. And I mean, several pieces were sold out within hours. And then eventually they, restocked. But for whatever the reason, this Laurel shoulder bag is still out of stock online. So, maybe go to your local Coach outlet store if you have one near you, to see if they maybe still have like a few in stock. But I love this bag, you guys. I absolutely love it. And then, it did come with the longer shoulder strap where you can wear it. But yeah, you guys, I love my Coach Laurel shoulder bags. Like, I just absolutely love them. But yeah, you guys. So, with all of that being said, like I did mention before, I am going to have, unfortunately, the only Coach Laurel shoulder bag that is in stock, which is the red one right here. I will have it listed and linked below in my description box. Also, too, for people that are not aware, the Laurel collection on Coach Outlet's website, it actually comes in two sizes. So that's another thing I wanted to mention, you guys. All three of my Coach Laurel shoulder bags are in the regular size. Some people say it's a medium. Maybe it is a medium. I don't really know, but it's the regular size. So that Laurel shoulder handbag collection, it comes in two sizes. Obviously, the regular size, which I have, and then it comes like in a larger size. They are both beautiful, but for some reason I've just always been gravitated more towards like the regular size. I mean, it practically fits everything that I need, and it can still fit so much more inside of it. So That's why I say, you guys, if you're looking for an everyday bag, check out that Coach Laurel Shoulder Handbag. Now, I will say this. I am somewhat tempted. I'm laughing, you guys, because I realize I have a serious handbag problem. But with all that being said, I just might as well just go ahead and say it. I am so tempted to just add one more Laurel shoulder handbag in my collection. But in my defense, I'm thinking about getting the larger version because, like I mentioned, this is the regular. So I am thinking about possibly getting the larger size Laurel, but I would like to go look at it in person. I don't want to blind buy it. And what I mean by that, it's like, looking at it on the Coach Outlet website and saying, oh, okay, yeah, that looks cute. And then, looking at other people like on YouTube and TikTok that have also purchased it. I need to see it myself physically. I mean, obviously, I know it's going to have the same like design and setup, but I just need to see this larger size Laurel shoulder handbag in person because from what I've seen, it's definitely a lot like taller in height from the regular one. So I want to see it. And if I did get it, I'd probably go with black. But again, to my defense, it would be the black pebbled leather bag because I do have, yes, 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 I do currently have a black one in the regular size, but it's with the signature C print. So I would honestly prefer to have one more Laurel shoulder handbag, preferably in black though, but black pebbled leather. Because the thing I've noticed about Coach's pebbled leather, the material and the structure and the way that it wears over time, it is beautiful. I see why Coach's leather lasts for years and years and years to come, especially those vintage pieces by Coach. So that's why I'm thinking about just getting one more Coach Laurel shoulder handbag, black grained pebbled leather, possibly in the larger size. And I do want to kind of compare them. So that's why I say I may have to make a trip to the Coach outlet store soon. So just wanting to see the regular one and the larger one, both in the black pebbled leather. And another thing too, you guys, I've noticed with the pebbled leather with Coach, you don't have to worry about it getting like banged up or scratched, especially if you're that type of person that's not the one to baby per se, like your handbags, you know, and I get it, we work hard, for our money to be able to get these nice things and stuff. So it's like, sometimes we like to be a little bit careful with our bags and stuff. So I just like with that grain pebbled leather material, you don't necessarily have to baby it. You can swing it around and throw it, not advising anyone to do that, of course, but that's why I'm saying it's the perfect versatile everyday bag. But yeah, you guys, so I will definitely keep you posted. And that is actually going to be a wrap for this week's video. But I do hope you enjoyed it. Like I mentioned before earlier, I will have that red leather grained pebbled bag from Coach Outlet, Laurel Shoulder Handbag, listed and linked below in my description box. So with all of that being said, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.